Today I'm going to show you guys a little less than 5-minute breakfast secret before you go surfing, mountain biking, any strenuous physical activity where you don't have a lot of time in the morning. You got to get out the door. You need those complex carbs and protein to get you going. This is going to be it. Hey, what's going on, family? Just got done surfing. The waves have been insane this week. I haven't got any videos done. I barely got anything done. When it's firing, it's firing. Like, check this out. Got battle wounds, sore from head to toe, but it's worth it. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make oatmeal. Oatmeal, you say? That's easy. Everybody knows how to make oatmeal. You just open the packet and add water and throw it in the microwave. Yeah, that's shitty oatmeal that contains lots of refined sugar, GMOs, and God knows what else. It's expensive. This oatmeal, you go to the dry food section, you get a container this big, fill it up with rolled oats. It's gonna cost you like $2. It's gonna last you so long. And rolled oats, it's just oats, nothing else. I'm gonna add some almond butter, a little evaporated cane juice, that good sugar, goji berries, cranberries, and we're gonna be out the door in less than 5 minutes. All right, guys, let's do it. So I'm gonna fill this up with rolled oats to 8 ounces. I'm not exactly sure how much water, but I'm gonna throw 8 ounces of water just cause. Gonna throw that 8 ounces of water in there. We probably won't use 8 ounces. For sure, we're not gonna use 8 ounces, but you can't add more. You can always take away the roll of the day. Fire this heater up. I've been saying hitter a lot. I listened to Theo Vaughn's podcast this past weekend. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. I love Rogan's podcast, but Theo Vaughn's a good old boy from Louisiana, and he's hilarious. And don't mind my busted lip. It's all good. 8 ounces of water is not gonna take a long time to boil, but it's gonna give us time to portion out all the stuff. So when we're ready, we can just throw everything in and stir it up. You might have seen this bowl before on some of my other shows or Instagram. It's my favorite bowl. It's my daughter's favorite bowl too. It's I don't know where it came from, but it's pretty special and I love it, and it's my oatmeal bowl, so get used to it. I usually do things just by eye, but for you guys, I'm gonna measure things out just because I'm curious too. These are rolled oats, 8 ounces, nothing else. Ingredients, rolled oats, that's it. Gonna throw these in the bowl. Gonna throw in a scoop of almond butter for that protein, you know what I mean? So the water's boiling, turn that off. Scoop of A butter right there. Gonna put in a little evaporated cane juice. That's another name for fancy sugar. You don't have to throw any of this in there. Just a few goji berries. You can put these in or after the water. I like putting them in before so they get a little softer. Got a little cranberries. You could throw nuts in there. You can throw granola in there. You can pretty much throw anything in there. So this is what I have. So this is what's going in there. All right. So that was probably about 6 ounces. I'm gonna stir it up, and yeah, I think that's gonna be good. Stir it, get all that almond butter melted down. And here's the secret. Put a little cap on there to catch all the steam. And we're gonna give it 3-ish minutes. And that's pretty much it. Quick video. You can start eating it right away if you like to burn your tongue, if you're into that kind of thing. Or you can wait 3 minutes, put it in a to-go container, eat it in the car, and that's it. I'm gonna show you the finished product once it's all cooled down. You can add, like I said, you can add anything. You could add bananas, strawberries at the end. Throw some yogurt in there, a granola rolled oat yogurt bowl. This is just a base. So never buy those little packets of oatmeal again. They're expensive, they're bad for you, there's so much sugar in there, and do you need any more reasons? Rolled oats, dry food section at your local organic market, Whole Foods, People's Co-op, some form of local market with big bins of dry, hopefully organic stuff. Bring your own container, say plastic, and that's it. I love you guys, keep it fresh, family, and see you on the other side. Almost forgot, time to change up the quote of the day. This little bad boy fell out the window. See if we can autofocus here. Your strength is your own knowledge. Now we're gonna talk about that just for a few seconds. This is so true. If you don't have your own knowledge, you're just gonna believe whatever the hell anybody tells you that makes it sound pretty and fancy and wraps it up in a nice little package. If you want knowledge that is true to you, research it yourself, scour the internet, listen to Joe Rogan. He's very open-minded. Other podcasts are awesome. TV is not the way. Your strength is your own knowledge. And if you have weak knowledge, your strength is gonna be weak. So shoot some steroids into that knowledge, bulk that stuff up, and have your own insanely strong mind so you can take on the world. Cause the world's crazy and we're getting crazy out here. And so if you want to keep up, get with the program, and the program is finding the truth for yourself. One last thing I almost forgot to tell you, coming very soon, within the next week or two, I'm gonna start doing my own version of, if you've ever seen like Jam in the Van, Tiny Desk concerts, Audio Tree. I have so many talented friends in this area that are amazing musicians, and I'm gonna invite them over to my house. We're gonna record 2 or 3 songs, talk a little bit. You can play it in your car, in your house, and it's just gonna be local, acoustic, good music. San Diego is a hotbed for talent. Just trying to throw a little exposure out for my homies and have a little fun in the meantime. So when I started this channel, I had this idea of mostly a cooking channel, but I just am open to morphing it into whatever it becomes, and this is the next move. I'm gonna continue to do a cooking episode. I'm gonna try and put one up once a week, and a live music, acoustic, like OrganiCali presents OB sessions or San Diego sessions. It's just gonna be local, organic, live music. Keep it in that theme, and I know you guys are gonna love it, because I do open mics with these guys and they are so insanely talented. I can't wait to show the world their emotion they convey through music, and just they emanate so much love, and they're real good people that shred. I'm just so excited to share this with you guys. So lots of new stuff happening. I love you guys. I'm gonna get back out there and get in this surf that's been kicking my ass all week, but I can't get enough of it. Carb up and get out there, slay life, fuel your body with organic, complex, delicious ingredients that fuel you to the fullest extent possible all the time. I love you guys. Keep it fresh, family. You.